In this episode of Home Building Kids, we're prepping and pouring the concrete slab.
Don't forget to like in the garage. Our house going to be so pretty. Will be nice and will be so pretty. So housey.
Amelia, you want to check out the rebarb? Come look.
Property test is really here. This is Mr. Guy and one guy pumping. You're my daddy. I love him so much. And he's the one that's building our house like in the garage.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to continue with us on our home building journey. Next up will be framing.